Hello, dear soul. For the next 10 minutes, you're invited into a simple, powerful practice, a silent walking meditation. If possible, step outside into your garden, a quiet street or countryside around you, or even a hallway. Allow your body to settle into a natural rhythm. There is no rush, no destination, just walking, simply being. Begin by bringing awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rise and fall of your chest as you take a slow inhale. And an easy exhale. Feel your feet connect with the ground, the earth holding you, supporting you. With each step, whisper inwardly, I am here, I am present. As you walk, gently open your senses. Notice the sounds around you. Distant birds, leaves in the wind, even the silence itself. Listen without labeling, simply hear. Shift to sight. Notice the colours, the light, the shapes, as if you are seeing them for the very first time. Feel the air on your skin, warm or cool. Notice the rhythm of your steps, heel, sole, toe. Every step is an anchor. Every step is now. As you continue walking, let your thoughts drift like clouds. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the sensation of your feet touching the ground. With each step, silently say a word that brings you peace. Calm. Peace. Here. Now. Allow the rhythm of your steps and your chosen words to merge into a gentle meditation. Begin to slow your pace. Notice how your body feels compared to when you began. Notice the calm, the presence, the groundedness. Take 3 deeper breaths, filling your lungs, releasing fully. As you bring this meditation to a close, offer yourself gratitude for taking this time. For every step you've taken, for the peace you've invited in. Carry this presence with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for walking in silence with awareness with me.